Okay, my name is Cornisha Espey. I work at the American Job Center. I'm a career specialist. I do 4 workshops: computer literacy, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, and resume assistance. This PowerPoint is mainly for computer literacy, basically just to get the gist of the main functions of a computer, how to navigate through it, and basically just being less apprehensive of wanting to learn the main functions of navigating through a computer. So the main 2 points that I would like to say about computers is basically practice makes perfect. So for our workshops, there's no limitation on them coming in to actually do the computer course. They can do it as many times as they want. It's the main purpose is just getting you comfortable with using a computer so that you can start navigating through it on your own. Learning about the organization of your files and folders is important as well, because that way you can situate everything through certain folders, and also it lets you be more, what's the word I'm looking for, comfortable with actually using a computer and learning how to save different files onto your computer and being able to access them later on.